Ever wondered about the giants of the deep sea? How would a megalodon, the prehistoric titan, compare to the elusive blooper fish? Now let's embark on a journey beneath the waves to meet these intriguing creatures. On one hand, we have the megalodon, the ancient behemoth whose name literally means big tooth. This colossal creature once ruled the oceans, with an estimated length of up to 60 feet and a weight that could reach nearly 70 tons. This makes the megalodon one of the largest predators in the history of our planet. On the other hand, we have the blooper fish, an enigmatic species that remains largely a mystery due to its elusive nature. Bloopers are unique, not just for their peculiar name but for their intriguing characteristics. Unlike the megalodon, they are relatively small, with an average length of just 2 feet. However, don't let their size fool you. These creatures are incredibly adaptable, able to survive in the inhospitable depths of the ocean, a testament to their resilience. What makes these two creatures even more fascinating is how they stand apart from other marine life. The megalodon, for instance, was an apex predator, ruling the seas with an iron fin. The blooper, meanwhile, is a master of camouflage, capable of blending in with its environment to evade predators. Now that we've met our contenders, let's dive deeper into their unique traits. Imagine a fish as long as a school bus, and another as light as a feather. That's right, we're comparing the megalodon and blooper fish. Now picture this, the megalodon, a prehistoric shark, was a fearsome giant of the deep, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet. That's about the size of a bowling lane. Its weight? An astounding 70 tons. That's equivalent to the weight of about 15 elephants. On the other hand, blooper fish are a stark contrast. These tiny translucent creatures are no larger than a human hand and weigh less than a slice of bread. That's like comparing a feather to a boulder. But don't be fooled by their size. Both of these creatures have their unique ways of surviving in the vast ocean. Size isn't everything in the ocean, it's how you use it. Let's see how they use their size for feeding. You might think the larger the fish, the larger the meal. But in the ocean, it's not always the case. For instance, the colossal megalodon, despite its intimidating size, was quite the selective eater. This prehistoric shark primarily feasted on large marine mammals like whales and dolphins, using its massive serrated teeth to tear through flesh and bone. Now let's turn our attention to the blooper fish. In stark contrast to the megalodon, the blooper fish isn't picky. Its diet is a buffet of oceanic offerings, from small crustaceans to the occasional squid. Capturing these creatures, however, is a different ballgame. The megalodon, now extinct, is only known through fossil records. But the blooper fish, elusive as it may be, is occasionally caught by deep-sea trawlers, providing us a glimpse into the mysterious depths of our oceans. Their diets are as varied as their sizes, but where do they call home? In the vast expanse of the ocean, where do these mysterious creatures reside, and how different are they from their shark cousins? Let's dive into the deep blue to discover the habitats of the megalodon and blooper fish. The megalodon, a prehistoric giant, favored warm coastal waters where it could easily access its preferred prey, including whales. On the other hand, the elusive blooper fish calls the dark abyss of the deep sea home. This environment, void of light and filled with extreme pressure, has shaped the blooper into a creature capable of surviving in one of the harshest habitats on Earth. Now, what separates these fish from sharks? For starters, unlike sharks, both the megalodon and blooper fish lack the ability to regulate their body temperature. Sharks, with their cartilaginous skeletons, also possess a unique flexibility that our featured fish do not. These unique creatures are more than just big fish. They each have their own story to tell. From prehistoric titans to elusive deep-sea dwellers, the ocean is full of mysteries. We've journeyed through the profound depths, comparing the gargantuan megalodon to the enigmatic blooper, considering their size, weight, and feeding habits. We've explored their habitats and how they differ from sharks. Understanding these creatures is critical for marine biology and conservation, shining a light on the ocean